Have you ever seen someone's entire life change because of one small act of kindness? Stick around till the end of this story, because what one billionaire did after a police officer found a lost little girl will not only melt your heart, it might just remind you what humanity truly means. And if stories like this touch your heart, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because we bring you real, emotional, and inspiring stories that prove kindness still exists in our world. Musical note: music shifts to a slower, emotional tone. It was a cold evening, the kind that made the city lights look sad under the fog. Officer Daniel Harper had been patrolling the west side of town, a place most people avoided once the sun went down. Old factories stood like skeletons, their windows shattered, graffiti scrawled across their bones. He'd been on the force for 15 years and had seen it all, but nothing could have prepared him for what he found that night. He parked near an abandoned lot, one of those forgotten corners of the city that nobody cared about anymore. The wind howled through broken fences, and as Daniel stepped out of his car, he thought he heard something, a faint sound, almost like crying. At first, he thought it was the wind. But then he heard it again. A soft, trembling sob. He followed the sound behind an old dumpster, his flashlight cutting through the dark. And there she was, a tiny girl, no older than 7, curled up in a torn pink jacket. Her face was streaked with dirt, her eyes wide with fear. She hugged a stuffed bunny so tightly its ear was nearly torn off. "Hey there, sweetheart," Daniel knelt slowly so he wouldn't scare her. "It's okay. You're safe now." The girl didn't speak at first. She just looked at him, shivering. He offered her his coat, and when she finally whispered her name, his heart broke. "My name is Lily," she said softly. "Mommy didn't wake up." Daniel froze. The words hit him like a bullet. He immediately called for backup and an ambulance. They found Lily's mother nearby. She had passed away from a drug overdose. The sight crushed Daniel's soul. In that moment, Lily became more than just another child in need, she became a reminder of every broken life the system had failed. At the hospital, Daniel stayed with her. No relatives, no family. Just her and that bunny. When social services came, Daniel couldn't bring himself to walk away. He visited her every day for weeks. She began to smile again, little by little. But every time he left, she'd ask, "Will you come back tomorrow?" And he always did. Months passed. Then one morning, Daniel came to visit and found her room empty. The nurse told him she'd been moved to an orphanage. His heart sank. He tried to visit there, but the system was strict, only approved visitors allowed. He left a letter for her, promising she was not forgotten. Years went by. Daniel continued his work, still thinking about that little girl with the pink jacket. He never knew what became of her, until fate decided to intervene. Musical note: music rises gently, hopeful tone. It was almost 10 years later. Daniel was sitting in his patrol car when his radio buzzed, a call from a private charity event. Officer needed at the Riverside Orphanage Gala. VIP guest requires assistance. He sighed. Another fancy event for the rich. But duty was duty. When he arrived, the event was in full swing, photographers, flashing lights, expensive cars. He felt out of place in his uniform, but then he heard someone call his name. "Officer Harper?" He turned around and saw a young woman in an elegant white dress, her hair in soft curls, her eyes bright with recognition. "It's me," she said with a trembling smile. "Lily." Daniel's breath caught in his throat. The little girl from the abandoned lot, now grown, radiant, full of life. Before he could say a word, she stepped forward and hugged him tightly. "You saved my life," she whispered. Tears filled his eyes. I just did my job." But then she stepped aside, and standing next to her was a tall man with silver hair, dressed in a sharp suit. "Officer Harper," the man said warmly, extending his hand. "My name is Richard Kane." Daniel recognized him instantly, one of the most powerful billionaires in the country, known for his tech empire. "She's my daughter now," Richard said. I adopted her years ago after seeing her story in a charity report. She told me about you, the officer who never gave up on her. Daniel was speechless. Lily smiled through her tears. I told him you were my hero, she said softly. He promised we'd find you one day. Richard nodded. And we did. Because, officer, you taught her something I never could, what it means to care, even when there's nothing in it for you. The billionaire turned to the crowd and did something that no one expected. He walked up to the stage and took the microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, he announced, tonight's gala isn't about me. It's about people like Officer Harper. People who see light in the darkest corners of our world. He then revealed that he was launching a new foundation, the Lily Project, dedicated to helping children living on the streets, named after the little girl who once had nothing but a broken bunny and a brave police officer by her side. Daniel stood there, tears rolling down his cheeks as the audience rose to their feet, applauding. Lily walked up to him, holding his hand, her voice trembling as she said, "You saved me once. Now we're going to save others, together." Musical note music swells, emotional crescendo. The foundation went on to change thousands of lives across the country. And every time Daniel saw a child smile, he thought back to that cold night in the abandoned lot, the night that proved one simple truth: you never know how far one act of compassion can reach. Before the story ends, here's the message I want to leave you with: if you ever get the chance to help someone, no matter how small it seems, do it. You might not change the whole world, but you could change someone's world entirely. Musical note music softens, gentle piano outro. If this story touched your heart, please take a second to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reminder that kindness still exists. Because sometimes, the smallest actions lead to the most powerful miracles. Musical note fade out, screen fades to black with text, inspired by true acts of compassion.